This is a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing system. I will show you in this video how to take affiliate offers, put them in an email, and then send them to leads you receive every day. A simple copy and paste method, and it is called My Lead Gen Secret. Guys, my name is Preston, and I am doing a series on just that, just showing you how easy it is to do email marketing. The simplest system you're ever going to see. I promise you, if there's something simpler, then let me know. Tell me in the comments if there's something easier than what I'm showing you now, because there really isn't. And I've been doing this for, well, at least putting the series out anyways, for this is day 35 that I've been doing this. So it's your first time here. You are like right smack dab in the middle of this thing. You'll want to learn how to do this. Just follow along, and if you do think that this is something that's easy and something that you can do, then I want you to go back to day one. Start there. That's where you'll learn how to get signed up and learn exactly what to do and how to begin in or with My Lead Gen Secret, which is this right here. This is My Lead Gen Secret. This is what will this is your login. Actually, it will look like nope, not that. All right, it will look like this when you first sign in. Okay, there we go. So it'll look like that when you first get signed in. And I will have a link in my description. There's one in every single one of my videos, so you can watch no matter where you start. The links will be in there, and that's where you can click to get started. And you can just watch the videos, go through this if you want to, or just watch day one of my series that I'm doing here, and that'll get you going. So without further ado, I don't want to waste any time, because this is we're at day 35. So if you want to know more about this, you can backpedal through all the rest of the videos, start at video 1. That'll teach you everything you need to know. So let's get signed in, guys who are following along. In the last video, I know that I mentioned, let me bring that up here, I don't know if you guys can hear me okay, sorry about that. In the last video, I mentioned switching offers. I'm not going to. I'm going to stick to what we were doing, and that will put us at 5 solid days of doing this one offer. And I'm going to stick to that. Since this is day 35, might as well just take it all the way. I thought I was going to change it up, changed my mind. Not going to do it. We're going to just stick to what we're doing. And then in tomorrow's video, I will have new offers. We'll probably go back to ClickBank and pull an offer out of there. 2 offers actually, because we want to do one with our postscript. All right, once we have My Lead Gen Secret popped up here, you can go into your mailing system, select your leads, get those slid over there, and then head over to Digistore, get yourself signed in. Just click on the digital products. Let's head to email marketing. This is what we're working with, Perpetual Income 365. And remember, you'll go to the affiliate support page, but if you've been following along, you should already have that tab open. I don't know if you've closed it out. I just keep it up, so all I gotta do is just pop on over here and just click right here on recurring income. Shows the VSL swipes. I think in the last video I did one of these opt-in page swipes. That pull funnel angle, just out of curiosity, I just want to see this. Let's see. I love how they give you more than one subject line. It's awesome. I mean, this one has 5. That's cool. Let's just see. I just want to browse through and just kind of. What's this say? Your exclusive recession-proof poll. Huh. Dear first name, people were shockingly revealed. They're millionaires. It's like refining. Huh. Cool. Huh. And this talks about, let's see, create an extra during the pandemic, truly life-changing. Poll takers have already accepted results in a matter of days. All right, let's go ahead and see what I think I used all. I may not have used all 4 of these in here. I just got to thinking, if I ever come back to this offer, I want to remember what emails I used. So I'll just go ahead and use this one. Yeah, I'm just going to do. That way I will have used all 4 emails in this one. And I used 1 email on the opt-in one. So I'm I'm just going to copy that. So we'll copy that, take it over to our Google Docs, paste that sucker in there. I'm going to scroll up here, grab the first name fix, copy that, bring it down. Actually, it's underlined. Gets me every time. All right. Let's see. Delete the comma, hit space, Control V, and there's that. All right. Next, let's bring that up. There we go. Your success buddy. We'll change out your success buddy for your name. All right. I'd underlined it. Interesting. Okay. Now we want to place an offer in here. Let's see. My advice, don't blow it. Here's your final chance to activate your account. I'm going to say this whole sentence here. Here's your final chance to activate your account. So we'll head to Digistore. Promote now. It's weird. Yesterday, it just said copy promo link. See? There it is. It says copy promo link. It's like it alters between the two. I don't know why it does that. Not that it matters, right? Get back over here, right click on there, insert link, right click, paste, apply. Okay, now we can do our postscript, right? And I've got one ready. We'll stick to the same thing, the joint eternal, right? Let's see, PS. Let's see. Do you have joint pain? Question mark. Lack of mental energy. Let's see, is your mood and overall wellness failing you? Question. Then watch this video. Exclamation point. All right. Joint pain, lack of mental energy, is your mood, overall wellness failing you? Then watch this video. Okay, looks good. Everything looks good. So let's copy the subject line. Head over to the mailing system. All right, we got our lead selected. So let's head down to the subject box here, paste that in. Go grab the email. Yeah, so I'm trying to, really get through this kind of quick just to show you how simple and how fast this actually can get done when you just focus on what it is exactly what it is you have to do. Control V to paste that in. And I'm going to change the size to 16. We're going to hit perfect timing. And just for kicks, and then you can just hit send email. So you can also place images in it. The last several that I have placed images in it. I'm just going to go ahead and just send it like this without all the images and just see how that goes. All right, that's pretty easy, guys. All right, we're like about 11 minutes in here. So as you can see how easy it is to just copy and paste just by setting this up. And guys, it only costs you $1 and you can get 100 leads. So you'll get those leads every day. If you see I have 18,400 leads. On day one I started with $1 and 100 leads. And then the next day it was 200 leads. So it's 100 leads every day. Now you can scale this thing up too. If you go to video 1, it's going to tell you exactly how to do that. I'm not going to get into here. That's what that video is for. That video is to teach you how to scale this up. I will tell you that there's 5 levels of this, and it will tell you how to do it and how the commissions work. And it just takes like 10 minutes. Like 10 minutes and you're done. And then once you go to video 1, it'll show you how to how to create your other accounts and how to work that. So when we hop off here, I will actually So you just go up and duplicate the tab, and then when you do that, then you can log out and then log in with your new account. And video 1 will show you how to do that, or day 1. And then you just copy everything from your first account, copy, and then bring it over to your second account. Let me hop in the mailing system there. So this is my second account. So you can have more accounts. Like I said, there's 5 levels of this thing. So you can have you can have as many accounts as you want. But once you get to 5 accounts, it'll increase your leads. You'll get bonus leads, and you'll get the commission for all of those. It's just go to video 1, man. Go to video 1 and you'll figure all that out. It'll tell you all about it. I'm just showing you a quick version of how to do this. Just the quick version. Copy. Down, Control V. Now when you start putting images in here, you can't copy and paste images. You'll have to show you here. Let me hit perfect timing. Oh, I was just going to change the size. Pay attention, boy. Change the size, and then I'm going to hit perfect timing, and then I'll hit send here in just a second. But if you go to image, it asks for URL. So anytime you want to put an image in here, you do need the URL for that image. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I just wanted to cancel. Cancel. Get out of there. All right, everything's good to go. One thing that we needed to check, shame on me, is preview, because we want to make sure that those links work. So it worked. so since it's working on this one, I know it worked in the last one, but always before you send the email, make sure you go to preview. That's what happens when I try to go too fast and get through this. So there you have it, guys. Day 35 in the books. And tomorrow we're going to start on a new offer. Now, I haven't picked one out yet. You don't have to do the same offers that I do either. You can pick your own. And I mean, you don't have to come here and follow this. Once you have the knack of it, man, go do your thing. You don't need me. But if you just want to come and hang or whatever, that's fine. If you would, give me a like if you got something out of this. Hit subscribe. Help me get to, look, I'm just a tiny little channel. And only thing I'm trying to do is just get to 50 subscribers. I'm not trying to get to 1,000 and start getting paid for that's not why I'm doing it. But I do want to get to 50 only because once I do, I can go live. And then once I go live, then then we can hang and just chat it up. And I don't know, I just think it would be a different experience for me, for the viewer. I think it'd be fun. I just at least want to get there and be able to do that. If you guys want, you can join my Facebook group, be part of my community. That'd be fantastic. Would love to see you there. That link is in the description of my YouTube channel, which is, I can take you there real quick. Let's look at my YouTube channel. Let me pop it up on my end. Okay, so here's my YouTube channel. See, guys, I got a little 27 subs, so help me out. I need 23 more. Get me there. And then I do have, so here's the series. These series are connected. The affiliate marketing strategy no one's talking about, that is the, I don't know, hello. Oh, is this working? Sorry, it looked like it wasn't working. You guys are like, what is he doing? I'm just getting some weird pop-ups here telling me that devices aren't recognized, but it does look like, yeah, my microphone's working. Whew. Technical difficulties, man. I gotta have one every video. No matter, I tried to do this thing fast. I was going to get through this without a hitch, but no. No. The computer god said, nope, you're getting a technical issue. You ain't getting out of here unscathed. All right. So I just changed the thumbnail. After 30 days, changed the thumbnail. I don't know if that's going to mess anything up as far as like getting views and stuff. I just want to let you guys know that I'm changing it. I'm doing it on purpose. It doesn't change the video. I'm still doing my lead gen secret. I do have another series. Let me go to my playlist here. I do have another series on Endless Income Academy. I'm a part of Endless Income Academy, and there is it is a done-for-you system. So if you're looking to expand your, you want to be an affiliate marketer and you want to expand your, your horizons on the in the affiliate marketing space, but yet you're kind of on the fence of like, you know, putting your face on camera, this is a great place to go because it has done for you content that you can use. Like they put out the content and they create it. That's what these videos are here. Just for an example, like I use these videos and I post them. And yeah. Oh, let me. Yeah. So they make the video and you can copy it. I usually download them and then I put them in a Canva. Then I alter them so that way it has my little my little spin on it, or just make it more unique. So that way there's no original content guideline misuse or whatever it is. You don't want that stuff on you. So yeah, so I've got a bunch of those, and I don't mind putting myself out on camera, obviously, but I do want to. I just thought it would be fun, like to use their content, see how that works, and if I can't put anything out right away, I'm busy or whatever, it's just easy to download that, throw it in Canva, put a little this, put a little that on there, and then upload them to my socials. Bing, bang, boom, and it's all good. It's all good, and that is amazing. But there's a lot more you can do in Endless Income Academy. So go to the series here, start with episode 9. And then start back at the beginning and work your way back through. It's not a huge deal if you do go out of order, but I do suggest 9. 9's a good one. Nothing pertains on doing what first, but it is a good starting point, I think, because it really explains what everybody wants to know, and that's how like commissions work. How do we make money doing this? And that talks about it. All right, guys. Here I am showing you all these things on my YouTube channel, and I didn't even show you. Didn't have my screen up. Didn't even have my screen up. My bad, y'all. My bad. All right, so here, this was the video. This was the video that you were supposed to see. There. You'll get all the bloopers here. Yeah, you'll get the bloopers here because I ain't editing that stuff out. You're going to see it. I'm going to leave it in there. But yeah, that was JD. He's one of the partners that created Endless Income Academy. Him and John Artsberger, and you can look them guys up too. They're on YouTube. They've got some free series that they're doing on there too. They got some good high ticket series. So that's another way you can go. I do have a link in my description on the Endless Income Academy. So you can just click on that and you can get yourself started on EIA. Other than that, guys, that's it. So, that's my playlist, and here's my MLGS series. So, anyways, I'd greatly appreciate those subs and likes, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.